Hey, good morning, everybody. How we doing on this, what is today, Tuesday? Man, I apologize for not being here yesterday. Man, the bug got me Sunday, and whew, not so good. I do feel better today, though, a little bit. Let's remember that this is a short week, so, you want to be careful with your trading out there. Sometimes volume drops off. Hey, I've got this ASTR up there. Who was in this and got rid of it up here? If anyone, I want to say way to go. Yeah, same here, Bill. I got out of bed to do that. Yeah, no, yeah. Yeah, yesterday morning I checked on it, and man, that thing's gapping up. And what a sweet trade for being sick yesterday. Very happy with that. Very happy. It looks like it may be trying to set up again, although I think it's a little too soon. So I think we should keep it on our radar, but let's wait for maybe a better time. Oh, thanks, Joe. Yeah, I'm feeling a little better. Going to be a little light today, I think, but heck, this week is going to be light. Oh, yeah, and remember, what is it? Thursday is Thanksgiving, but we are also closed Friday, so right way options as well. All right, so I've got a couple charts I want to look at, all bullish, providing that the market can do itself right. That's going to be the thing, if it can do itself right. Yesterday we ended up with a bearish engulf. That by itself isn't going to scare me. It's going to make me think, okay, we might see a lower low, and we might see that today. But overall, I'm going to remain bullish until I'm not. And I'm not when we actually break down. I'm not going to try to pick a top. Yeah, I'm just not going to do that. So when we see this breakdown and truly give us something to sell against, something that might look like this, down, rally up, fail, and then come down. Now we've got something to work with. Of course, there's all the top pickers that if you guys get into the top, you're going to make more money. I hope that works out for you. I'm going to wait for the actual selling. Okay, couple charts I want to look at is Ford. What a staple. I think Ford and GM, a lot of these Ford and GM is going to be my favorite. Keeping them on your watch list and trading them when they set up, I think that's a staple this day and age right now. So Ford, we've got a terrific little morning star signal here. The trend is still up, just looking for that to move higher. Let me put this back on. There we go. Real time. You can see we're opening up at the upper end of yesterday's candle. Still looking for that breakout, and I still think we have some more room to move up there. There's always a concern. Well, where's it going to go? My first answer is, who cares where it's going to go? It's just that it's going to go up. Worry about making the money going up. But if somebody just has to know where it's going to go, which that's a very false statement. Where is it going to go? I don't believe that that's possible to pick where is it going to go. I truly don't. But if you need something to hang it on, like a current bush or something like that, well, here's a good current bush for you. We can go from that low, which actually I'm going to go up to this where we rallied up and broke down, and the bulls picked it up at these lows and took it up. Here's some current bushes for you if you want to hang on to. So there's some good ideas. And that's just using a simple tool that I think everybody has on their charting program. This is TC2000. This is just a Fibonacci projection line here. And you're just going from a place where it starts to a rally to a pullback is all you're doing. And that gives you that idea maybe where it might go. But just take a look at that chart right there. That's an extremely bullish chart. Of course, we're betting on that breakout. And if it breaks out, I see no reason why we can't get to that 2180, 2330, and on up, providing it gets through those areas. Since I mentioned GM, take a look at GM here, doing something pretty similar. Little flag here. In fact, you've got a little flag right here as well. In fact, you have a little flag right here as well. So here's the thing. Let's trade the flags. So we rally up, we flag, we buy. Rally up, we flag, we buy. We rally up, we flag, we buy. Just simply keep trading the chart pattern that keeps on making up here. So GM to me, let's do this. There we go. Look at that weekly chart right there. That's nice. If we come over to these bodies here, we've broken out ever so slightly. I guess it depends where you want to put your line there. We'll put it right at the body. We've broken out ever so slightly, closing over that blue line. So I'm going to have to be definitely on the bullish side of that 63.95 area on this. So we'll watch for an entry on that one, moving up. And since I need a drink here. So since we're talking about all these cars, we've got all these cars and they're building these electric cars. Until they build cars that hover, we might want to look at the rubber they drive on. And here's GT might be setting up. Nice little rally to the upside here. Very nice run. Beautiful cup in here. Absolutely a beautiful cup. Here's a nice little breakout here. Here we've pulled back. This might be that handle that we're wanting to trade. Morningstar signal. Pre-market, we're looking pretty good. Got a nice flag here. Like I say, with all these fancy electric cars, until they hover off the ground, they're going to still need rubber to drive on. So we might want to keep an eye on Goodyear and what other rubber companies are out there. Take a look at Bank of America. Bank of America and I tossed around each other here, and they kind of beat me down in this area here. I'm looking to get my money back. So here we went down to the 50 period moving average. Yesterday we gapped up, and today, now this is pre-market, the candle's not going to show up like this, but pre-market we're putting in a bullish engulf. If I see Bank of America can move over 47.15, and toward the end of the day, if I feel like it can hold there, I'm likely to be a buyer. Now, I may not wait to the end of the day, but I'll certainly stop out if it doesn't, or if it doesn't have a good candle here. But anyway, Bank of America is one that got my eyes on pretty big here. Did we already look at FedEx? There we go, FedEx. Nice. This is a nice rounded bottom breakout, by the way, on FedEx. Nice little bottom here, low, high, higher, low. We rally up, we pull back. Here we break out that 50 period moving average. We pull back. We've got 3 bars of support here. Pre-market, candle's looking pretty decent. If we start to move up, FedEx might show its bullish colors here with a flag breakout. And that could be a move up into the 200 here or more of about 8%. So there's a few charts I have, and before my voice completely goes away, I'm going to check out here and go get some more coffee. Hey, we'll see you guys here at the open in about, 22 minutes from now, okay? Thanks a lot for being here. Thanks for letting me have the day off yesterday. Appreciate Ed and Doug for everything you did, for filling in. Thanks a ton. Back in a bit.